Hi everybody and welcome. This is A Bissen, and today we're going to be discussing how soon you'll be eligible to purchase a new home again after you've experienced a negative credit event such as a foreclosure, a bankruptcy, a short sale, or a deed in lieu of foreclosure. Let's get started. So the first thing you should know is that you will eventually be able to purchase a home again with a traditional home loan, but you will need to go through a waiting period, or as we call it in the industry, a seasoning period. The idea behind the waiting period is that it gives you time to get your financial affairs in order, establish sound credit and payment history, and also to save money. So to determine your eligibility date, you'll need to know two things. Number one, what type of event you went through and what type of loan you're going to be qualifying for. So we also need to get your documentation order, so let's cover the documentation specific to these type of events. So let's start with bankruptcy. Bankruptcy requires that you keep a copy of all of your bankruptcy paperwork, but especially the discharge paperwork, because that contains the date at which we're going to start the seasoning or waiting period until you're eligible for your next home loan. Now, if you've experienced a short sale or foreclosure or a deed in lieu of foreclosure, then you're going to need to get your hands on a document called a certificate of title. Now, whether this happened through the court or whether this happened through a title company, depending upon what event happened to you, the good news is that either the title company may be able to help you locate it, or you can go to the county appraiser or the tax collector's website, and a lot of times you'll be able to find this document online. Okay, now that you get your paperwork in order, go ahead and jump over to the following website and let's check out the eligibility chart. Reading the chart is actually really simple. All you have to do is start with the type of event that you have. Let's say a bankruptcy. Start with a bankruptcy and then follow it from the left column over to the right. Okay, for most viewers of this video, you're going to be looking for the eligibility on the new loan as either a conventional loan or an FHA. And of course, if you're a qualifying veteran, you're going to be looking at the VA column. And if you're looking for a rural zone property, you're going to be looking at USDA. As you'll notice, the eligibility dates are actually different for each type of new loan that you're looking to use to purchase your next home. Now, you're going to want to pay close attention to the footnotes on some of these. If you see a column that says either 2 years or 4 years, most likely you're going to qualify for the longer of the two periods, but do check out the footnotes because those can sometimes give you a clue as to whether or not you're going to be eligible for the shorter period or whether you have to wait the longer period. Now, if you currently don't qualify for one of these programs at the present time, but you still need to move forward on a purchase, and you've been saving up money and you have a down payment of say 10, 15, 20, or 25%, then you may actually be eligible right now using one of our flex mortgage loan programs. Those have no waiting periods. This allows you to go ahead and secure the home that you and your family are needing, and then as soon as your eligibility date hits, you can refinance into a more traditional loan program. So we hope this helps. If you're looking to purchase a home and need to get pre-qualified anywhere in the state of Florida, we'd love to help. And of course, if you'd like to discuss your loan scenario with us, we'd be happy to discuss it with you, no cost or obligation. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.